Hello everyone, my name is Achyutanand Panda. I am the Senior Trainer of Industrial Automation Specialist at Schneider Electric Skill Development Institute Bhubaneswar, Khordha. So in this particular course, we are giving hands-on training on PLC, HMI, SCADA, Industry 4.0, pneumatics and electro-pneumatics. And for designing perspective view, we are also giving training on AutoCAD. So in today's modern manufacturing landscape, automation is not only the support system, it is the core of the industrial transformations. We start about the PLC, that is Programmable Logic Controller. We introduce the student to different hardware part of the PLC. We started with power supply module, CPU module, different signal module that include both digital signal module as well as analog signal modules. We gradually build their career in the programming logic as well as logic building development, both in graphical language as well as structural language. In graphical language, we include a ladder logic diagram, functional block diagram and sequential flowchart. Along with programming skill, we are also giving knowledge about the graphics designing. So for the graphics designing, we are using Visual Designer software for the HMI design, that is human machine interface. So in HMI, they have to develop different GUI, graphics user interface, for the operator point of view. So welcome to SCADA Lab. SCADA stands for Supervisor Control and Data Acquisition Systems, which enables a centralized control over a simulated environment or complex environment systems. Okay, that includes both SCADA bench, which having two sections, section 1 and section 2. In section 1, we have multiple PLC started from the main PLC and remote PLC, and that also include my HMI station. In section 2, also have different type of PLC, that is Advantage Remote IO2 PLC, and that is a compact PLC M200 PLC, and this also include my 22-inch HMI panel. So in this particular lab, we are giving training on the Schneider Electric Cytec 2018 software SCADA system, which includes training started with like project creation, project deletion, project backup, project bugging and debugging, and study of the different object property like color property, on-off property, animation property. Along with that, we are also giving training on that how we are taking the data logging, like how we can create the historical data and runtime data. Along with that, also giving training on that how you can establish the communication between my SCADA system and my field systems. So in this course, that is Industrial Automation Specialist, which is also give an overview on Industry 4.0, which includes both artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, pneumatics and electro-pneumatics. So in these courses, we are merging and integrating all this technology to enhance the productivity, decision making, effectiveness and productivity of the real world smart manufacturing systems. After successfully completion of this course, one student can be engaged in different job roles like PLC programmer, PLC troubleshooter, PLC networking engineer, PLC commissioner and PLC testing engineer also. These are the high profile demand jobs which are highly demanded in different job sector like energy, power transmission, distribution, packaging industry, process industry as well as manufacturing industry. This is a 5-month fully residential program and it is ideal for the graduates in electrical, electronics, mechatronics, instrumentation engineering, as well as also this is applicable for MSc in electronics. The course fee is 25,000 inclusive of comprehensive training, hostel accommodation, daily meal, high-speed Wi-Fi with all the lab access. SDI Bhubaneswar has constantly delivering the strong placement outcome with a success rate of more than 95% across various courses. This success reflects our commitment to the skill development, practical training and industry readiness. If you are passionate about the industrial automation and if you want to start your career in the industrial automation field, then this course is the best suitable launchpad for your career. Join us at SDI Bhubaneswar and be a part of the India's industrial automation future.